Bye. Okay. Yes.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Goodbye. Okay.
Look at this. It is a red-tailed catfish.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a Senegal bichir fish. Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Oh no!
Look at this. It is a pearl gourami fish. Look at this. It is a turtle.
Uh-oh.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went.
Look at this. It is knife fish.
The lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day.
Goodbye.
It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children
Look at this. It is a lobster.
Okay.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but
Yes.
still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this. It is a pearl gourmet fish.
Love Mary so, Mary
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Mary so, why does